Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today, we're shifting gears to explore a true American legend reborn, the 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air. This iconic nameplate from the 1950s has made a triumphant return, and it's better than ever. Get ready to join us as we dive into the perfect blend of retro charm and cutting-edge technology that makes this modern classic a masterpiece on wheels. Before we take this thrilling ride, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you love cars as much as we do. Share this video with your fellow car enthusiasts, and don't forget to click the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest automotive reviews and content. The 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air isn't just a car, it's a time machine on wheels. Chevrolet has done a phenomenal job of resurrecting a name that once symbolized the golden age of American automobiles. The 2025 Bel Air takes us back to the 50s while propelling us into the future with a car that is as much a tribute to its heritage as it is a beacon of modern engineering. One look at the 2025 Bel Air, and you're immediately struck by its nostalgic design elements. The bold front grille, adorned with the iconic Chevrolet emblem, is a nod to the classic Bel Air, but it's been reimagined with a modern twist. The chrome accents, which were a hallmark of the original, are present and accounted for, giving the car a touch of vintage elegance. But Chevrolet didn't stop there. They've seamlessly integrated these retro elements into a sleek, aerodynamic silhouette that speaks to contemporary design sensibilities. The LED headlights, while modern in function, carry a hint of old-school flair, paying homage to the classic round headlights of yesteryear. The 19-inch alloy wheels add a touch of sophistication, while the panoramic sunroof ensures that the car is as stylish as it is functional. Step inside the 2025 Bel Air, and you'll find yourself surrounded by a perfect fusion of retro styling and modern luxury. Chevrolet has gone above and beyond to ensure that the interior of this car is as stunning as its exterior. The two-tone leather seats are a direct nod to the classic Bel Air, but they've been updated with the latest materials to ensure comfort and durability. The chrome-trimmed dashboard is another vintage-inspired touch, but it houses state-of-the-art technology, including a digital display that provides all the information you need at a glance. Under the hood, the 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air is a powerhouse. The standard model comes with a 3.6-liter V6 engine paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. This setup delivers 310 horsepower, providing a smooth yet exhilarating driving experience. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating city streets, the Bel Air offers a ride that is both comfortable and thrilling. So, what do you think? Has Chevrolet succeeded in creating the perfect blend of old and new with the 2025 Bel Air? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most exciting cars of the year, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and all things automotive. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next ride.